Let's talk about the ProPhoto Aero Mode TTL for Fuji cameras. We have the exact same controls as the previous Aero Mode, but we're gaining two important features: TTL or automatic, as well as high-speed sync. Physically, we're losing the mini jack input and outputs on this model, but we're gaining a beefier hot shoe connector. The USB input is for firmware updates. First, let's go through the basic settings. I can adjust the power of my light up and down. I can turn the modeling light on or off. And I can put the light into standby mode. We have 3 groups to assign lights to, A, B, and C, as well as 8 channels to choose from. In combination with the camera, this remote gives us TTL or automatic modes, as well as high-speed options. Using the mode button at the top, I can toggle between TTL and manual settings. In TTL, I now have an automatic function where the camera will take a reading through the lens and the light will adjust its settings automatically. With the center button on the right, I can switch onto high-speed sync mode. This Fuji camera doesn't sync well with the flash above 1/160th of a second. However, once you select high-speed sync, I'm able to dial my shutter up freely, allowing me to sync the flash up to 1/4000th of a second. And of course, you also have the option of syncing the flash with the first or second curtain.